Here is what Newton's third law taught me about business and content. So, Newton's third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. And if I have to put that in a business perspective, for every piece of content that you put out there, there are going to be people who are going to rally with it, and obviously there are going to be people who are going to rally against it. Doesn't have to be at the same point of time. I do not know what platform you're creating content on. That is a variable. If you're creating, I do not know when the reaction happens. Like it can be happening like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, 10 months from now. I do not know. That is a variable, and create the one thing that I would say is create a lot of content so that you can actually gather a lot of people who are going to rally with your beliefs, rally with your content, so that you can actually create transformations in their life. And if you are a course creator, if you want my help in creating content consistently, especially on YouTube, there is going to be a link in the comments down below. Click it, go to the next page, and let's schedule a call and let's talk on how we can create content on your YouTube.